Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of LottoLab lottery investment website latest version script. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can make your own lottery investment website within just half an hour. So viewers, before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And in this video, we are going to completely make this website. So be with us and watch this video till the end. So first of all, viewers, here you can look at its amazing home page. Each and everything that is on home page is changeable. So you can see all different users, winners, and total visitors on the website. Here, when user come to this section, user can see the lottery calendar, and user can see all its lottery calendars and their mega draws. So you can see all the lotteries and their time, and over here you can see everything about them. And here is how you will join. First of all, you have to create account, choose the lottery, pick the lottery, and win the lottery. So these are some recent statistic options, so you can view all the recent latest statistic like total bettors, the people who buy lotteries. Different type of lotteries are here, and let me tell you viewers, each and everything is controllable from admin panel. And in this video I'll completely give you the overview of admin panel and user panel, and we will install it as well. So we will going to completely make this website. Here is frequently asked questions section. Recent winners on the website can be shown. So you can also list the blogs on the website and people can read the blogs. These are payment method, automatic and manual, both payment options are available. So user can use any of the method user want. So first of all, viewers, if you want to buy the script from us, or if you need this complete end-to-end ready website, we will build it for you. And if you buy it from us, you will get it at very reasonable price. And if you need any type of investment website, all type of websites are available. You can explore our channel and you can contact us directly. WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. You can contact us on any of the platform you want. So, and you can buy this website. Here you can visit all these pages separately as well, like about lottery, and all these pages you can visit them separately. So this is a lottery page, so you can see all the lottery winning and their time. So here are you can use it any of language you want. Currently there are 4 languages, but you can insert any of the language you want. Here is a register option. So viewers, here user can register using Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and here user can create account as well. So we will just create an account with our details. So let's create an account, first name, last name. So currently I will enter random details, and but you have to enter the correct details at the gmail.com. Here we will enter our password. After entering this confirm password, fill the reCAPTCHA and click on I agree, and when you click on register, so it will take you to the register page. So viewers, here in user data section we have to fill our user data like username. Here we have to enter our mobile number, and after entering these details, here you have to enter your address. Currently I'm entering the random details because I'm just creating the account to show you. And after that, here when you click on submit, it will log you into your user dashboard. So this is the amazing dashboard. You can use it in mobile as well. So you can user can use it in both laptop or phone. So let me show you how it looks like in phone. So this is how it will looks like in phone. So user can easily use this in mobile phone as well. So users can completely, it's just responsive website, so user can use it. Here first of all on top you can see there is a referral link. User can earn money through referrals as well. User can see its total balance, total wins, total deposits, total withdrawals, and user can see all its waiting draw over here. Here is lottery option, so user can go to all lotteries and user can invest in any of the ticket. So user can click on buy ticket and buy any lottery ticket user wants. So here user can click on add new and buy generate ticket from here. So from here user first of all have to recharge deposit money, and then user can buy ticket from here. Similarly user can see its wins, total purchase tickets. User can see in purchase tickets. Here's deposit option, so user can go deposit now. From here user can deposit money on the website. So you can see there are multiple automatic gateways like Binance, blockchain, BTC Pay. all of them were available, and user can use the manual gateway as well. So to deposit money, just enter the amount and click on confirm deposit. User can deposit money. And here is withdrawal now. So this is a withdrawal page, so user can withdraw its money using different gateways, similarly like deposit. Here user can contact with admin with the help of support tickets, and user can discuss issue with admin using support ticket. Here's a referral commission option, so user can see all its commission over here in this section, and here user can see all its referred users, and all the users user will refer, they will be appeared under his tree. Here user can see its profile, transaction, change password, two-factor authentication section. Like user can do all those settings of his account. So these are all about the user panel. Now I am logging out from user panel, and now I will take all of you to the admin panel of this website, and we will explore the admin panel of this website. So now I am going directly to the admin login page. So viewers, I am on the admin login page of this website. Here you have to enter your username and password in order to log in. So admin can control complete website from the admin panel. So I am clicking on login, and now viewers, here you can see we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. And currently, let me tell you, I am giving you the demo of this website, and after that we will create our own website, and I will also show you how you will do it. So here first of all, admin can see total users, active users, total email unverified users, total deposits on the website, and each and everything admin can view over here. Total tickets sold, winners, losers, and everything will be under here. So here admin can see all the notifications on its website over here. So all the notification of deposit, win, lose, everything will be appeared right here. Here user can create lottery tickets from here. So you have to go to manage lotteries, go to lotteries, and from here admin can create the lottery tickets, and you can see all the existing lottery tickets over here. So you can edit them, and if you want to create a new lottery, so go to add new, and by filling all these details you can create a new lottery on your website. It's completely simple. Here you can add lottery phases like phase 1, phase 2 from here in this section. Here you can draw manually. You can choose any lottery and draw it. So here admin can manage the complete users of this website. So here admin can add and subtract balance to user account as well. So here admin can add balance, and here admin can subtract balance, and there are some other options that admin can change the details of users. So these are our user related activities. Admin can send them notification as well. Here's deposit section. So when user will request a deposit, the request will be appeared right here, and admin have to approve the user request. So you can see all these requests are pending. So admin have to go to details. Admin can see their account details, methods, and admin can approve their deposit. So these are all deposit related activities. This is the withdrawal section. Same like deposit, you have to approve the withdrawal requests. Here are support tickets. So admin can communicate with user using support tickets. Here are subscriber section, system settings section, that is important section. So from general settings, basically we can change the name of website. You can use it in any of the currency of your country as well. So we can change the currency of this website. So you can use it in any currency like PKR, INR, NGN, or AUD, CAD, any of the currency you want. From here you can change the logo of this website, and you can insert your own logo. From system configuration, basically you can turn on of different settings like email verification, notification, language options. You can turn them on off from system configuration. From notifications, you can configure email settings. From payment gateways, like you will get many automatic payment gateways as you can see over here. So these are all the automatic gateway: Roser Pay, Paytm, PayPal, Payeer, Now Payments, Coin Payments, Flutterwave. So all of them were available. You can use them. And Binance is also available. So here in manual gateway, if you want to create any of your local gateway like manually, you can click on add new, and you can create the manual gateway easily by filling these simple details. So just fill these simple details and you can create that gateway. And if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support. So if you are going to buy from us, you don't need to worry about anything. We will do all the work for you. So here you can see withdrawal methods. So if you want to create multiple withdrawal methods, you can do it from here, and you can edit the existing one and click on add new. So by filling these simple details, same like deposit, you can create a withdrawal method. So you don't need any coding knowledge to control or manage this website. It's easy to use and manage. So it is very easy. So from SEO configuration, you can manage SEO directly from here. Front end, you can manage the front end of this website, like you can edit the banner section. So you can change the details on banner, and each and every section that is on home page is changeable. Like lottery section is here, you can change the heading of lottery section. Here is contact us section, so you can change the contact details. Here is policy pages, so you can update your policy terms from here and add new pages. Here recent winner pages here, so you can manage this recent winner page. Statistic pages here, you can manage the statistics. So like change these details. Headings, testimonials are here, you can manage the testimonials, and these are all the testimonials. You can remove them or add them. Each and everything similarly that is on the website is changeable. This is about section, so you can change the about. So you can add multiple pages or remove the pages as well. Here you can manage KYC settings, social login setting. If you want to add the language, from language you can add that. You can insert extensions like live talk and recaptchas, etc. And these are policy pages. You can manage the policy pages. Maintenance mode, you can turn it on off from here. Here you can manage the GDPR cookies. You can also add the custom CSS site map XML, like you can manage the SEO from here. And these are all the manage referral section is here. You can set the multiple levels of referral on deposit, buy and win commission. So you can set up as many as number of referrals from here you want. So now viewers, in till here, so I completely guided you about this website. Now will go to our hosting panel, and we will completely install this website on our hosting server. So now I will go to my hosting server. So I'm using the Hostinger, so I will install it on Hostinger H panel. But if you are using the C panel, the installation process will remains. So I'm going to guide you completely about that. So first of all, we will go to File Manager, and it is opening the File Manager option. So we have to wait for it. So we have to go to public HTML. I will install it on my subdomain. So here you can see I've already uploaded my script of LottoLab. So here you can see all the files that I've extracted from it. So now we will go to our domain name. So demo.scriptsmasher.com/install. So now we will install it. So here you can see we are on installer window. So after that, here you have to click on I agree, next step. You have to check all the requirements like permissions, etc. If they are passed, you are good to go. Click on next step. Here you have to fill your database details. So it's very simple and easy to install. So Lotto. So you can create database or username with any name you want. So I'm currently using these names. So now it has created successfully. So database is ready. Now we will just copy this name and we will just paste in database name, user details. Here you have to enter your password. Here you have to enter the admin details that you will use to log into the admin panel. So now click on install now, and you can see our script has installed successfully. So click on go to website and activate, and this is the website installed successfully. So now you can see how easy it is to manage, install and make this website. So here you can see this is our newly created website, completely empty and completely new. Now we can completely manage this website from admin panel, and we will use our own details, logo, text, everything we can change it from here, and also we can change the colors, etc. as well. So this is our website. So viewers, I hope you like the video, and if you want to buy the script or complete website, just contact us, and you will get this at very reasonable price, and we will also provide you complete support. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.